Dicen que es tuya, no po.
Dicen que tú
Ya no po. Dicen que es tuya. El único que ya no po es Papá Di porque ya se fucking murió. Todos seguimos en po. ¡Otra vez! Que descanse en paz, Wildland. Llama. Con sexo. Aquí vienen los ricos, mira, muy. ¿Qué dijo?
dicen que tú ya no po. Dicen que tú
Ya no po, po, po.
dicen que tú
Ya no po. ¡Ay! ¡Tuyo! ¡Tuyo! ¡Tuya! ¡Tuya! ¡Tuya!
We break up to make up.
Bombo club.
Folks won't think that's
Chill.
but that's when you give me that love that blows my mind. That good love you give that makes me scream. Your
Mr. Lover.
let's break up, then make
Ok, aquí vienen los ricos, mira, muy.
clouds.
Everything I do, you know it's all about
You.
gotta trust this feeling,
Cause
cause
my feeling is true.
your sex appeal is straight to the ceiling.
Whoa.
I wanna see reality, this is what it's like to be.
You. ¿Te acordás cuando salió esa rola no tenías hijos?
I'm fortunate to finally discover.
Cuando salió esa rola no tenías hijos.
Feel like
Toño, vos no tenías hijos.
I've got one can't describe.
Why?
We break up to make up. Some folks won't think that's fine, but that's when you give me that love that blows my mind.
DJ Joel Future
You
Sounds.
give that
Por ahí se viene YGS.
love.
We almost ready. We almost ready. Let it go, DJ. Let it go, DJ. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
I got punked.
Hay muchas mujeres mentirosas. Las mujeres hondureñas son fucking mentirosas, bro.
Totally empty.
¿Sabes lo que me hizo una a mí?
Yeah. All the lies that you told, all the promises made.
Bombo.
How could you be so bold?
What?
Now I feel so plain. It was love but not lust. I really felt you. I gave you my trust. Now look what you do.
Ay, ay.
Know there's something
Esa perría me engañó.
creeping.
Esa perría me mintió. ¿Sabes lo que le dije yo a ella?
Pump me,
You
pump me.
Ay.
Lots of ways you delete.
Tonta.
Recent numbers repeat.
Tonta.
Emails you claim.
What she do? She punk me. She punk me.
Me, the people want me about her.
Hey, I put a name on the visa.
Now my credit's going under. You pump me.
You punk me.
Oh yeah, I said it was okay. I'm co-side on the escalator. Now I'm taking the subway.
She punk me.
You pump me.
Así que en un par de minutos arrancamos con YGS. Llama. 2 canciones más. She punk me.
Pump me. Now that I got pumped up, it's about the prenup. The only 50 around me is a G-Unity.
What?
All my friends
Watch out,
be gone.
watch out, watch out,
All
watch
the
out, watch
P-Pop's
out.
gone.
Hey Mara, no se les olvide, Double Passion Hookahs is here.
Where's your woman to
The best hookah in Houston, Texas.
that notice?
Don't bother get confused, don't get tricked.
Like creeping.
Don't waste your money, don't throw away your hookah. This niggas is giving you cigarette tobacco. Don't do that. Double Passion, we said.
Recent numbers.
Asegúrense de venir a traer su hookah. No sean baratos.
You
punk me, you punk me.
want me about her.
Boy, we put a name on the visa.
Now my credit's going under.
You punk me.
You pump me. Oh yeah, I said it was okay. I'm co-side.
On the escalator.
Now
2 canciones más y se viene YGS.
you pump me. I should have noticed something. Those calls that late like creeping. Those calls that you were faking.
Pasa, pique pasa, pasa. Bailan Yeye y también Rakataka.
Pique,
Pasa,
pique pasa, pasa.
pique pasa, pique pasa, pasa. Pique pasa, pique pasa, pasa.
Los de la high y los de la barraca.
No baila la doñita,
Pique pasa, pasa.
también la peladita.
Pique pasa,
Para
pasa.
bailar la yeyecita, pique pasa, pasa. Pasa la chacalita, pique pasa, pasa.
Bailan en el ton,
Pique pasa, pasa.
en el interior.
Pique pasa, pasa.
Empieza matón,
Pique pasa, pasa.
el marín.
Pique pasa, pasa.
Pique pasa.
Pique pasa.
Así que estamos listos.
Pasa, pique pasa.
Estamos casi listos.
Pique pasa.
Así que una canción más y nos venimos con YGS.
También Rakataka. Pique pasa.
Pique pasa, pasa.
When you get the new clocks, the daddy.
Stop it. Cuando yo te diga, espera,
When you get
espérame.
the new.
Cuando yo te diga dale play, le das play. Cuando yo te diga dale play, le das play. Gillian.
When you get the
Wey,
new
wey,
clocks, the
wey,
daddy.
wey, DJ. Ya te dije que tengo mi arma, man. Te puedo golpear. No le des play hasta que yo te diga, man.
Máximo respeto y
Hola, tío. No le des play hasta que yo te diga, DJ. Así que vamos a empezar con el show. Where is Gillian? Ando buscando a Gillian. Anybody seen Gillian? En lo que Gillian aparece, saluda a la gente que anda bien calzado. Porque la gente habla de Texas y dicen de que la gente viene a party con chancletas en Texas. So.
Máximo respeto ahí para DJ Joel.
We're not doing that. Hey, DJ.
Talento.
Espérame. Saluda a la gente que vienen al party bien calzado. La gente, las mujeres que se hacen su uña en shit para venir al party de Zacate. Dale play.
You get the new clocks, the daddy. Which color that? I did no party.
Por ahí se viene
the daddy. The king, the England, the love of yardy.
Real bad man, no muggle in a shot.
When you get the new clocks, the daddy.
Real bad man, no muggle in a shot.
When you get
bad man, no. Real bad man, no. Real bad man, no.
when you get the new clocks, the daddy. Which color that? I did no party. You know that the daddy. The king, the England, the love of
Pull up. Máximo respeto ahí para DJ Joel. De parte del mismo excelente talento. Rude Boy Kid.